Good morning, students. As we have already done the calculation of goodwill methods, first one, average profit method, second one, super profit method, and third one, weighted average profit method. And you have done the assignment related to that also. Now here I am going to explain you about the next method of calculation of goodwill, capitalization of average profit. In capitalization of average profit method, we first go for calculation of average profit. As you know, average profit is equal to some given year's profit divided by number of years. After computing average profit, we'll go for capitalized average profit. How we compute capitalized average profit? Average profit into 100 upon NRR means NRR upon 100 we used to do for calculating normal profit. Just opposite, we have to use 100 upon NRR. In this way, you'll find out the capitalized average profit. Then we'll go for capital employed. Capital employed, you know, in super profit method, we learn about capital employed, total assets minus outside liabilities. Then we find out goodwill. Goodwill is equal to capitalized average profit minus capital employed. Same in the super profit method. First, we go for computing super profit, and we will follow all these steps which we have done in the super profit method. When we find out super profit, you can see step 4, calculation of super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. When we find out super profit, we will find out goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon NRR. This is the capitalization method. Now if you can see that, wait a minute, you can see here capitalized average profit we are finding out in capitalization of average profit method, and thereafter we find out goodwill by taking capital employed and capitalized average profit difference. But in case of capitalization of super profit, we only capitalize super profit, and whatever the value we find out, that is the value of goodwill. Check it here. So here we find out 2 steps and there is only 1 step. Now come to the example of this. If suppose in a firm, capital employed is 60,000, normal rate of return is 10%, and salary to partners, average profit rupees 12,000, and normal average salary of partners rupees 2,000 per annum, means this is the total salary of all the partners. So in this way, if the question is asking for calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit method or calculate goodwill by capitalization of super profit, so how we solve it? First we go for the solution of first one, capitalization of average profit. In this, first we go for calculating average profit, but as average profit is already given in the question, we will remove the salary out of the average profit to find out actual average profit. Then capitalized average profit will find out 10,000 is the average profit into 100 upon 10. 10 is NRR. We find out the average capitalized profit rupees 1 lakh. Then calculation of capital employed rupees 60,000, calculation of goodwill, capitalized average profit rupees 1 lakh, and capital employed rupees 60,000. Difference between them is goodwill. In the same manner, in second case, first we compute super profit by following the method. Super profit we find out 4,000, then we find out super profit 4,000. Then what we have to do, we'll go for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to 4,200 upon NRR. We'll find out the answer. The third method in this regard means the last method, today's third method, but it is the last method for calculating goodwill. This is the 6th method. 3 methods we have already done. Today we have learned 2 methods. Number 1, calculation of goodwill by capitalization of average profit, and calculation of goodwill by capitalization of super profit. Now check it here, the third method, hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill, it is computed when a new partner is admitted in the firm. It is in the case of admission of a partner. When new partner is coming, he has to bring 2 things. Number 1, capital, and number 2, premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill means his part of goodwill out of the total goodwill of the firm. If suppose we compute total goodwill of the firm rupees 1 lakh and new partner is coming for 1/4 share, then he has to bring 25,000 as premium for goodwill. Okay, so here I am writing, it is compulsory for new partner to bring his share of capital and premium for goodwill at the time of admission, either cash or kind. if in any question new partner's capital is given only and there is no information related to goodwill of the firm, then this question is concerned with hidden goodwill method. Okay, so how we find out the hidden goodwill method? When no information about goodwill is given, because in partnership goodwill is must. In every type of question you will find out the calculation of goodwill. So if goodwill is not there in the question and new partner is coming or entering into the business, then there is a problem of hidden goodwill and you need to compute it. Okay, so how we compute hidden goodwill? There is a method to compute hidden goodwill. Check it out. Step 1. First, we reciprocate the share of new partner. If suppose new partner is coming for 1/4 share, तो reciprocate means 4/1. 1/4 share के लिए अगर नया पार्टनर आ रहा है तो उसका reciprocation means 4/1. We will reciprocate it and multiply with the capital of new partner. If new partner is coming for a capital of 20,000, तो 20,000 into 4/1, reciprocal of 1/4 share. So in this way, we'll find out the total capital of the firm. Here I am mentioning first reciprocal the share of new partner and multiply it with the new partner's capital to find out the total capital of the firm on the basis of new partner's capital. Second, calculate the old partner's capital. How capital sum and add new partner's capital. मीन्स आपने सारे पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल को जोड़ देना है, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स की, और नए पार्टनर की कैपिटल को भी उसमें जोड़ देना है. ठीक है, टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म. सो देयर आर 2 ways हाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म. फर्स्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल एंड सेकेंड वी आर एडिंग अप ऑल द कैपिटल्स ऑफ द पार्टनर. 2 ways of finding out total capital here I am mentioning, okay, of the firm. Now check it. Goodwill of the firm. How we compute goodwill of the firm? Goodwill of the firm is the difference between these two total. So total capital in first step minus total capital in second step. Okay. So the difference will be called the firm's goodwill, the goodwill of the firm. Now let's see the example. Suppose X and Y are partner of 2:1. They decided to admit a new partner and their capital on that date when they are admitting a new partner, after all adjustments, rupees 80,000 and rupees 50,000. Okay. Now suppose new partner is coming for 1/4 share and bringing rupees 50,000 capital. New partner is coming for 1/4 share and bringing rupees 50,000 as capital. In this case, what will happen? In this case, new partner is coming for 1/4 share and bringing a capital of 50,000 and goodwill is not mentioned in the question. So this situation is concerned with hidden goodwill. So we'll follow the first step to compute total capital and the second step to compute total capital. First step to compute total capital is on the basis of new partner's capital. New partner's share is 1/4 and we will reciprocate it, means 4/1. So total capital of the firm on the basis of new partner is 50,000 into 4/1 equal to 2 lakh. So this is the first step to compute. This is the first step to compute total capital of the firm. The second step is add up all the capitals. X capital is given 80,000, Y's capital is given 50,000 and Z's capital is given 50,000. If we add up all these three, we will find out the total capital rupees 1,80,000 and goodwill is equal to the difference between the two, means 2 lakh minus 1,80,000. Goodwill will be rupees 20,000. This is the answer. So it's a very